9946 Lorian. We're really close to a ton of shopping. There's a satellite dish. The 215 freeway. Maybe remove some of these dead palms. Okay, we have tile. Tile at the entry. There's a little bit of a yellowish hue to the paint. The carpet actually looks to be in pretty decent condition. 1, 2, 3 blinds that I can see so far. So it's a parking lot right behind us to a commercial center. We could add 8x10 pavers for between $5 and $7 a foot. It depends. We'll get a more up-to-date quote. These are laminate counters. I'm gonna say probably budget for some touch-up, but most of this looks like smudges that can come off. And touch-up paint. We would not have chosen this color walls because it's a little yellow, but since it's already here and it seems to be in okay condition so far, we might just leave it for now and just touch up where it's necessary. Oh, sorry. Okay, so you have tile in the laundry room. They've painted these cabinets. They did not paint the hinges for the most part, so that's really good. Okay. Okay. Different carpet. That's a carpet change right there. Walls look good. Replaced the drain ring for about $65. I would replace that light fixture. It's very rusty. It's already wired, of course, so it's very easy to do. 1 window. Carpet looks fine. 2 window. That might be a wide window, so that might be 120 versus the 85. But I'm just going to count it as 2 for upstairs. A little touch up here and there. Window 3, 4. They've painted the baseboards the same color as the wall in here. Remove those cords. Paint this door. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 windows. And definitely paint this whole room. This is a pretty large master. Replace that drain ring. It's a little rusted. We need a shower rod in here. Maybe replace that, depending what the property manager says and if it works and everything. Toilet handle might be broken. Okay, that's that.